In a quiet little village lived a kind boy named Hassan. Every morning the sun smiled, and the birds sang sweet songs outside his window. Hassan always helped his mama and papa with joy in his heart. But today, something special was going to happen. Just as Hassan was going to the masjid with his papa, he heard a tiny sound from behind their house. A little bird, looking tired and weak, sat beneath a tree. Hassan slowly walked closer and whispered, "Are you okay, little bird?" The bird tried to fly, but couldn't. It flapped once, twice, and fell down again. Hassan rushed inside. "Mama, there's a bird that needs help." Mama smiled gently. "Feed it something, Hassan. Even birds feel hungry." At lunchtime, Hassan looked at his warm dinner plate. He smiled and took a small piece, crumbling it gently. Then he placed it near the bird. "Here you go. Eat as much as you want." The bird slowly began to eat. Hassan's heart felt full of happiness. That night, under the stars, Hassan sat beside his papa. He raised his hands and made a special dua. "Dear Allah, please help the bird and help me to always be kind." Papa smiled and said softly, "When we help others, Allah helps us in ways we can't imagine." The next morning, the village well was empty. No water came out. The people began to worry. "We must go to the forest spring," said the elders. Hassan and his papa packed some bottles and walked into the forest. But soon, they lost their way. Tall trees surrounded them, birds flew above, but Hassan and his papa didn't know where to go. "Papa, are we lost?" "Stay close, Hassan. Keep praying in your heart. Allah is with us." Suddenly, a bird appeared in the sky. It was the same bird Hassan had fed. It flew in circles, calling them with its little wings. Hassan and Papa followed it through the trees. The bird led them to a hidden stream. Fresh, clean water flowed like a river. The villagers cheered and thanked Allah. "Hassan and a little bird helped save us all," said Papa with tears of joy. That night, Hassan looked up at the stars and whispered, "Thank you, Allah. I want to be kind every day." Mama hugged him and said, "Kindness brings blessings, my dear. You gave a bird some food and Allah gave us water." Allah is kind and loves kindness in all things. Always be kind, even in small ways, because kindness always comes back.